established a sector-based approach at Leeds, which says that we have particular hubs that face particular industrial and commercial sectors. Medical technologies is one example. We work with industry in different ways. We undertake fundamental research through PhD case studentships and Research Council grants, but we also work on research projects to support commercial product development with companies, and also collaboratively to exploit our own intellectual property. For example, in Leeds, we've built a multidisciplinary medical engineering research centre across 10 different departments, funded by the Wellcome Trust and the EPSRC. And we've aligned that to a sector hub in medical technologies, which acts as an interface to our industry customers. One of our major research discoveries at Leeds has been the ceramic on metal hip. In a patient receiving the hip joint who's 50 years old, they may well have to live another 50 years with that hip implant. The ceramic on metal hip allows the hip to have a much lower wear rate than conventional bearings, and therefore we have confidence it will last the patient for 50 years. It's currently been implanted in over 10,000 patients worldwide, so we're already realising clinical benefit. But additionally, it's also giving us economic benefits, because the companies who are manufacturing these components, it's producing new business opportunity for them. Over the past 20 years, we've developed new artificial heart valves with industry. We've also developed low-wearing knee prostheses, which will extend the lifetime in patients. But really the big breakthrough that we're excited about today is the regenerative biological scaffolds. These are essentially implants that do not rely on synthetic plastics and metals, but actually use biological materials which can then regenerate in the patient with the patient's own cells. So we already have examples of successful translation of this, both in vascular patches and also in clinical trials in heart valves and in skin. But going forward, we see major opportunities for the repair and regeneration of tissues in the musculoskeletal system, including, for example, cartilage and bone and ligaments and meniscus in the knee joint. The way we're commercialising these biological scaffolds is through a university spin-out company called Tissue Regenix. Tissue Regenix currently have a product portfolio which includes a vascular patch, and are commercially developing biological scaffolds for musculoskeletal applications.